Have you ever poured hours into a funnel that was proven to work only to launch it and just get crickets? No sales, no calls, just silence? Well, you're not alone. Most coaches are following broken templates that ignore the customer journey experience. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly why most funnels fail and how to align your funnel that you're creating with the psychology of your ideal client that actually converts. So follow me here. You see an ad on Facebook for a $17 high ticket funnel template. It promises six-figure results. You plug in your info, you change the colors, you launch it, and then what? Nothing. Why? Well, because that funnel only works if your audience already trusts you. It assumes they already see you as an authority, but do they? But for most coaches, that trust just simply hasn't been earned yet. Yes, you're pitching something for someone to marry you on the first date, and your audience is ghosting you. I wonder why. So here's the truth, okay? Funnels, they are, without question, the most powerful component in converting for coaches and consultants online. And they don't fail because they're ugly or they don't work. They fail because they're out of sync with your customer's journey. This is one key component behind it. So you're making offers at the wrong time, at the wrong level of awareness. Now, your dream clients don't know why they should trust you, or worse, they don't even know that they have a problem that you solve. You can't just start with a high ticket offer and expect people to buy, right? You need to guide them from unaware to problem aware to solution aware, and then finally ready to buy. That's what I teach in something called my funnel alignment blueprint. This is just one of my key pieces that I talk about in my masterclass, but also in my full course. It's how you flip the script and really build true trust through a value-first journey. So here's how it works. 1, you start with free content or lead magnet that speaks directly to their pain points. 2, you offer a low-ticket resource or maybe a mini program to establish trust, the trust that wasn't given before, and to really prove out your methods, to showcase that you are the subject matter expert in this specific field. And number 3, then and only then do you introduce a high-ticket offer once they've experienced real value and trust your expertise. Does that make sense? Now, it's not about selling harder, it's about guiding, all right? Now, an example here, one of the clients that we worked with was stuck selling a $5,000 coaching offer straight off of a funnel template that they bought online. It was stuck there for months and months and months. It just flopped. And when we implemented this funnel alignment blueprint, then she added a free training, followed by a $100 workshop, followed by a $600 90-day boot camp, followed by then their high-ticket offer. And guess what happened? Well, she started getting way more money by just creating those low ticket sales and getting people who are qualified to pay that high ticket, then interested and begging for it without even you telling them about it. And then this shifted the order of how and when she presented it. So what's the difference? Well, for this example, her audience trusted her. They saw results before she ever pitched the big offer. See where I'm going with this? So if you're tired, if you're watching this, and if you're maybe in a similar mindset or situation, if you're tired of wasting time and money on funnels or templates or thinking about marketing that you aren't really dialed into or understand, and you finally want to build a coaching or consulting business that feels aligned and profitable, I started off by creating this 20-minute masterclass just for you. I put the link down below, and it really highlights these key components. I'd love for you to check that out. So again, click that link in the description to watch this masterclass today. It breaks down exactly how to set up your funnel properly from the start and how to stack those funnels and offers without these ridiculous templates, without these phony hacks, and without burnout. Your time is valuable. And hey, if you're a new coach or consultant who's serious about winning online, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment down below if this resonates with you, what kind of funnel you put in place. I'd love to hear your story. So remember, your funnel isn't broken, it's just out of alignment. So let's fix that together. Again, click that link below, and I'll see you on the next video.